Well, I was pleased that this home is situated well for solar in the back of the house, so it seemed like everything was ready. I didn't have any fears about going solar. My concern was choosing the right company because I wanted to be sure I wasn't going to choose a company that will go out of business. So I did my research and found that Earthlight Technologies had already installed solar panels on 4 homes in my neighborhood. I'm also on the Homeowners Association board and involved in putting together the application for any resident to install solar panels. And that's important because we do have some regulation about how the company responded, how many years they've been in business, what their rating is. Better Business Bureau, we ask all of those questions. This is probably the biggest hurdle people have, biggest concerns that people have. It's like, who are they? I would encourage people to know that this is very important. A family-owned business that you can trust, that's not packing up their trucks and driving away. And I think that people should feel confident. And I know several other homeowners who have used them, and they've all felt very, very comfortable and confident in their decision. Going through the process was made easy by Ben Carlson. I mean, he came out, reviewed everything, explained everything in detail. And then when I asked my relatives who were in the business as well, I have a son-in-law who's a net zero architect, and now my granddaughter who's an engineer, environmental engineer. They also agreed with everything Ben had said and asked him questions and felt very confident in my decision to use Earthlight. Then there's Heather Whittle in the office, and she was amazing. I haven't met her yet, but it was so nice to be able to call her and catch up on what's going on. As a matter of fact, she initiated an early installation for me. It's been wonderful dealing with the people in this company. My first year with solar has been great. Right away, no payment due, and that was very exciting. In the winter, a little small bill, it still makes me laugh every time I open it. And now we're here in spring, and already I'm seeing the difference on my phone all the time because I can see the solar coming in my usage at the same time, and then what's going out to the grid. It's fun to kind of see it. It makes me feel pleased at my decision. Sign up now because you'll wait a few months, maybe, but it's the payoff that's just great. When I talk to people who are not sure about whether they're going to get solar, I say it's such a relief with everything else, in the world, and the cost of electricity going up, and back again to the sustainability. I feel smart that I've done it, and I hope that other people will too. Call the Schneider family at Earthlight Technologies. It's a family-owned business, and they are there for us, and I'm very happy. You might ask for Ben Carlson. He was great.